Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the AUTHKEY app review to see what you're using. So OneHot is a versatile platform that streamlines business communication and the security by offering SMS, voice, email, WhatsApp messaging through a single API. It's particularly effective for OTP delivery and two-factor authentication with a fallback channel to ensure message gets through developers. Also, like its easy integration, sandbox testing, and a flexible pay-as-you-go pricing, which make it a startup friendly. On the downside, pricing transparency isn't always clear, and message delivery reliable can vary by region. Advanced features may also push cost higher than expected. Overall, AUTHKEY is worth using if you're looking for a flexible multi-channel verification tools, but it's smart tools compared to performance and cost with other provider first. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.